Check in the comments below the video as well as in the text below the video, and I'll share my link in case you want to try IPSY for yourself or someone else. It helps me out a little bit. Kim Townsel here. Join me as I show you what's in my July 2021 IPSY bag and what I redeemed some of my IPSY points for. A full-size portion of the 111 Skin product. Pretty gold bag. I might keep that one. Usually I give them away. Pretty detail for the zipper pull. I like the gold and turquoise. We have our card. Halsey. So this one doesn't tell me what's in my bag. Usually I have a list of telling me what I have in my bag and what to do, but this one has tips on bronzing, which I'm not going to read to you. We have a cream hydrator. I think this is a rehydrator. And it doesn't have an odor. It's quite thick. I plan on using this on my neck after I put my face makeup on. I put this under my neck and around my neckline to kind of blend everything in. The poppies. Bet you want me to pop one, don't you? Yeah, didn't make much of a noise. And I'm guessing this is eyeshadow, sun and cacao. Okay, nice neutral tones. A handy little mirror. Nice neutral tones. Scalp and body scrub. I have not used anything to scrub my scalp. I don't like the way my hair smells a lot of time, so I'm looking forward to trying this. See if it has a scent. I can't quite place the smell. It doesn't smell like feminine or soapy. It smells almost like suntan lotion. And a Perlice. I like all the products from Perlice that I've had. A charcoal cleanser. I think I have one of these already, which I like. Check in the text below and in the comment section, and I'll try to provide links in case you're interested in trying some of these products. Normally I don't like the smell of watermelon, but this smells almost like a candy, so not bad. And that's all that's in the bag. Always check your plastic bag because this was down in the side of it. A Mr. Handyman. Oh, that's going to be helpful. I've got lots of chores for him to do. Oh no, it's a brush. It's pretty. Not sure that I need another brush, but this one is divine. Feel how soft that is. As an add-on, I received a couple of 111 Skin products that I really like, and they're quite expensive. So when I see them available through IPSY, I pay the price and buy these. I think this was $20. And it is a formula for acne-prone skin, which at the ripe old age of 61, about to be 62, I shouldn't be worrying about things like that, but yes, I do. So trying this. If you Google 111 products and look at the cost of them, they are very expensive. So I'm not even going to waste a drop of this on my palm of my hand. Precious stuff right there. There is my July IPSY products. A little late. Thank you for your patience. But yes, I'm still a member of IPSY. I like getting these surprises every month. I remember correctly, I had received one of these before, and I do like it. Thanks for watching my video about my July IPSY. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to leave a comment. It's free to share. And remember to check in the text below and also in the comments, and I'll share a link in case you want to join IPSY or send it to someone to join. And until next time, let's just help each other stay golden. You know how to say that, right? If you have time before you go, watch another video. Thank you very much. Bye.